Jesus! Man, it's fucking warm, jeez. And this is why I took the bike today. That looks like rain dead ahead. I'm gonna get caught in rain. How fucking lovely. And for any of my non-UK subs or viewers, if you're not subscribed, there's you've probably heard that typical phrase of like the British always talk about the weather, and it is a very British thing, and this is like key reason. Like, I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but that is just a fucking gargantuan rainfall ahead of us. And all day on the weather forecast, that's not coming till 6 p.m. Oh Jesus Christ, fuck. Oh dear, I'm riding straight into that. Shit. Oh, that's a lot of fun though. Shit, and I need fuel, so it's not even like I can fucking hightail it. I've got to stop. Oh, come on. Maybe it's not in my route. Oh, hopefully it's not. Let's get some fucking fuel. I just felt it, felt the rain. Bollocks. Bollocks. That is proper raining now. Shit. And I'm hot. So what do? Do I zip up my fucking levers, or do I just suck it and fucking get home? Bollocks. Shit bag. The road's gonna be greasy as fucking shit as well. It ain't rained in ages. Look at this cock. Get out of my fucking way. Let's just hope I'm not the most conductive thing knocking around when the lightning does strike, eh? Well, my stretch panels are wet already. That's a good start. I'd at least get 5 minutes. Oh my days. This is fucking torrential coming down, isn't it? See where I'm not going quick enough. Oh, it's not even under a fucking bridge, is it? Bollocks. How far I get. Oh man, I'm so caught out. I wouldn't mind this if I had like my waterproofs, but I ain't got shit. It's almost like my new gloves just soak it up. And it's the stretch panels on your levers. It's nowhere else, just your stretch panels. All just soaked, obviously. But so if you're ever bored one evening on YouTube, watch like planes struck by lightning and compilations. It's fucking massive, isn't it? More lightning. Nature will provide the lightning, I'll provide the thunder. Tell you what, look at this shit on the road. I don't even know what this white stuff is. It's sinking. These Mexicans are dealing well with it though. Like look, it's a hard brake. I can feel what the front's doing still, you know what I mean? It's fucking good rubber, I'll give it that. He's obviously worn a little bit now as well. They're still feeling pretty confident in this shit conditions, especially for how greasy the roads are. Look at it. You can just see it all. What is all that shit riding through it now? It's like just all the dust and crap from the road, isn't it? Look. Never seen that before to like that extent. Look. That shit off the road that is now all over my fucking arse crack, my bell end, my armpits, my inner elbows, my hands, my bike. It's everywhere. So I did a video ages ago, probably when I had like 200 subscribers, about riding in the rain on a Daytona, and you know what, go watch it if you're interested, because I know I've got some people on here that are quite new to riding and things like that. So feel free to have a little watch of that one. It's like an old vid that. Does anybody actually go back and watch any of my old vids? Do let me know in the comments, because I was actually thinking of having a bit of a tidy, like a channel tidy up the other day. Like all these old videos that maybe got like 900 views or something like that. The early days where, you know, admittedly I was just starting out, so my editing skills and my format wasn't as good as I like think it is now anyway. So yeah, just let me know that as well. Do you watch them? Because I might come back and delete them, but if you think, you know what, nah, leave them on there, they're like a good place to see where you come from. Then, you know, do say, but I might just go back and delete them if I don't get anybody that interested in them, if you know what I mean, because I feel like they just clog up the channel a little bit and don't make it look as clean cut as I'm trying to go for. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.